Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for project management? In this video, we will explore how to seamlessly sync Jira and Notion. We will dive into practical tips and tricks to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. First, log into your Notion account. After logging into your account, you can see the search bar. Just type /Jira. Now they will suggest you Jira Sync. Click on Jira Sync and click on Get Started. As you can see, they ask to enter your Jira admin's email, Jira site URL, and API token, which will be given by Jira after logging into your account. After clicking Next, your Jira site will be attached instantly. If you go back and write again /Jira, you can see Jira site and Jira sync, where you will get to enter and sync anything from Jira, such as project, design, file, to-do list. Then click on done and your all required file will be synced instantly to your Notion account. Now I'm closing it and going to the Jira account. As you can see, I am in Jira dashboard. This is where all of your project is located. That's how you can sync your Jira and Notion both account together to make your work more productive and easy. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.